Hello friends, so today in this video we shall talk about the error that you might face while installing the Windows 11 in your system using USB pen drive. So you can find some kind of error like the system like this PC or this system can't run on your device or your system. So to this so simple error that you need to fix to proceed with that. First of all, you need to click Windows and Windows R and then type tpm2.0. So now you can see that so you can find that it says that compatible TPM cannot be found. So you need to activate that is a compatible trusted platform module. Okay, so there you can find settings in your BIOS system, and then you have to activate this setting in the BIOS, and then you can easily install the Windows 11 in your device through your using USB pen drive. So there is nothing error, and you can't face any kind of error in this. So you can see that this is already I'm here running Windows 11 in my system, and it is completely running perfectly without any kind of error. You can see that it is Windows 11, right? So here you can see that it's Windows 11 running very nice. Okay, it is Windows 11 Pro developer preview that you get that are available right now. So all you need to activate the trusted platform module, compatible trusted platform module in BIOS setting. So you need to you need to reboot your system in BIOS, and there are different keys for each and every motherboard. So you need to find out that like it might be Dell or F11. So in my system, as it is MSI motherboard, it is a Dell button. So I will restart my PC and I will activate this settings. Okay, so right now I will restart. Okay, so it is, and so you can see that it is the system is about to boot, and I am here in my BIOS configuration. You can find it here. So all you need to click on settings button here, and then click on security option. There you can see that the option is there, trusted compatible sorry trusted computing. Okay, and one more thing, this is the one thing that should be enabled, and one more thing, your secure boots also should be like the yeah, one more thing, that is secure boot, it should be active. Okay, so so I click here, and then click on the security, and then click on trusted computing. Okay, so now you can see the options are here already, and you need to click on the enable button, and it will enable. And now you can save the settings and restart your system, and now you will not find any such kind of error. In my PC I did not find any such kind of error. So I think this method is working perfectly, and you can also check whether these settings are activated in the system or not. So just restart your PC. Okay, and then follow the same process, click on Windows R. Okay, click on Windows R and type tpm.msc, and there you can see that this settings are activated. Okay, you can see the settings are activated here. Okay, so you can easily see that if you keep your configuration sorry keep your management on the local computer, and the security active, and you can see that the will be ready for you. So that means that the tpm settings are activated, and now you can install the Windows 11 in your device. Simply with the same install, there is no need to transfer any file or copy any file. Just make your device bootable using the video system. Okay, so just proceed with the same process and install the that means make your device bootable using this refresh, and you can boot the system. Okay, so try this. So actually, I have already installed the Windows 11 in my device. So I have tried it. And it is working perfectly fine. You can see here. So this is 100% tested and working. The system right now I'm running, that is already Windows 11, and I have installed the system using the same process, and it is working very fine. So please try it, and thanks for watching my video.